What's up, guys? So I'm bringing you guys another video. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Basically, this channel is going to be about little figures I end up buying, or majority of Lego sets as of right now. But today I ended up getting this little storage container for Legos, and it was only $30, and I really wanted just for the container mostly. And then once I started spreading everything apart, I discovered that there was a Lego set in there, and then I realized it was a Star Wars one just because of the way some of the designs were and the colors. So I ended up looking it up on, I think I looked on eBay, then I looked on Google, and I discovered that I had an A-wing within that pile. So then I started spreading all the pieces apart using the manual that I found online on the Lego website. Once putting everything, spread it apart basically, I didn't know how many pieces I had at the time. Then I didn't really count it until really I built the actual A-wing. So the set had 358 and I only had 348, which is really oddly enough that I was only missing 10 pieces. But once I put everything together, the piece that I was missing wasn't really anything crazy. It was just basically part of the landing gear and a little bit of minor pieces like a little piece of the wing kind of, and it didn't come with the stickers or the minifigures. So that was kind of a downside, but it wasn't really a deal breaker. I mean, that set alone what can go for, $80 ish plus sealed. So me buying this like little lot for $30 really wasn't too bad. And it did come with another set, but I didn't really care too much to put that one together. And if I do, I'll probably do a later video on that. But yeah, so this video just basically gonna be my build on this A-wing that I ended up finding. So if you guys like, the content, like, subscribe to the channel. I do have some future builds that I do plan on making within maybe this week or next week. Majority is gonna be Star Wars builds and a few of Marvel ones that I just recently picked up. But yeah, overall it's really not too bad. The design for this one, it took me about maybe 2.5, 3 hours overall. Really wasn't too bad, but anyways, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. You guys can check out how the A-wing ended up looking like, and then you let me know if it was really worth it or not.